Be talking about my Genesis off-road dual battery kit. The install for this project, I wish I would have done an install video when I originally put this in, but at the time I wasn't doing any videos, so we just get to talk about it. But the install for this was pretty easy, but it was also time consuming, and you got to be a little patient too, because you have to take out your old battery tray, and that's where a lot of problems came in at. I wouldn't really say problems, I just, like I said, had to be a little patient. Had to remove a few bolts. That was the easy part, but actually getting that out, maneuvering it throughout all the wires and stuff, that was kind of tricky, but I got it done. I was actually supposed to cut this portion off so that my intake could sit on that. Never got around to it. Really don't need it. Saying how I got the snorkel. The snorkel helps it sit up where it's supposed to be, so I just didn't worry about that for the time being. But this dual battery kit, man, is everything. I'm currently running 2 Optima yellow top batteries, group D34, I want to say. But so how this works is, my car runs off of battery number 1, which is this one and that one, and all of my accessories run off of this battery here. The dual battery kit comes with 2 posts for your positive and negative for the accessories, so you could just line them all up there and there. I kind of got a mess under here right now. I don't see it getting any better than this, honestly. But dual battery kit, and if my main battery, which is this one that my car runs off, was to die, I could push this button and my vehicle would jumpstart itself from the accessory battery. Thought that was pretty cool. But all in all, man, I really love this product from Genesis Off-Road. They really took a lot of time out to get everything right. But yeah, I'm gonna attempt to leave all my lights on so that I could drain my battery, just to see if this will actually work, just to test it out, see if I'll be able to jump start the vehicle from my second battery. So we're gonna see how that goes. And yeah, make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting videos. I'm probably gonna post about 2 or 3 videos a week. So like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy. Make sure you click that bell too, so that you can turn on and post notifications. Originally, I was running the stock JK battery, the one that it came with off the lot, and I got a lot of upgrades on this vehicle, a lot of lights and audio and stuff like that, and my battery was going, it kept dying. So I eventually purchased a yellow top battery, and everything was fine, and I had no problems, but I wanted to be on the safe side, so I took it a step further and I got the Genesis Off-Road dual battery kit. So I got that. I had the dual battery kit for maybe what, 4 or 5 months before I actually purchased another battery. I had one Optima yellow top sitting in the tray, but I didn't actually have this piece on. I kept that inside my crib until I purchased my second yellow top. But yeah, and also These battery trays, they hold Group D34s for Jeep Wranglers. So yeah. To test out my Genesis off-road door battery kit, I'm gonna go ahead, leave all my lights on overnight. Hopefully the car battery dies. I don't think a lot of people actually attempt for their car battery to die, but let the battery die, and I'm gonna jump start it in the morning with the battery kit. So I'm about to check it out. I only left on most of my lights. I didn't put none of my light bars on. I don't want it to be too bright for no reason out here, you know. Kind of make it look like I did this by accident. But yeah, see you in the morning. Well, wake up in the morning and my lights are still on. Still on. I don't think my plan to let my battery drain work. I mean, probably don't help that I got two, well, still on. Probably don't help that I got two Optima yellow top batteries.